hair done last night. I just did my skincare. It is 11:15 a.m. The first thing I need to do is go by the coffee shop, get him a nice little orange juice, get some pastries, which honestly we could just go to the store and get that stuff, but it's way out of the way versus where we're going. We're going to see my sister, and there's a few errands I need to run today. It's a few random things I need to get, and it's kind of like scattered. Let me take this off. It feels so weird when you get your hair done and your scalp is like all out in the open and you can just feel all the air in your scalp. So I'm gonna bring a jacket because I know I'm gonna be cold. Like, really know I'm gonna be cold. I've been doing my best trying to like incorporate more learning activities for my son since he's finna be 2 in like a week to 2 weeks. So I just want to give y'all a quick run through of some of the things that I've been using. So we have flashcards. They're numbered flashcards, and on the opposite side they have objects to match the number on the other side of the card. And then we have these short words. We got the book, and then we have like a physical activity like coloring or something like that. So the book to go with the coloring today is this book of colors. We're gonna sit down and do that today. I'm gonna study. I went ahead and packed my notebook and textbook in his diaper bag. The drink is fire. So we are in Ollie's. I was here before when I first moved to my apartment to get this rug. My cat tore it up. I got puppy pads for the puppies, some trash bags. They were like $10. And then these organizers for my, if it'll focus or not, organizers for my pantry. I got 4 of those and the rug. We're in Home Goods. Why are you always trying to touch stuff? So silly. Sit. I don't know if y'all can look at how this one matches with these. With this one. Put in it. Today was a long day. I don't know why I can't get this.
3 hours later.
Look, you guys, I'm finally finished. So, got a little hand towel, the candle that I got from Home Goods. I don't remember how much the candle costs, but the plate underneath is from Ollie's. It's $3. Get into this. Like, do you see the details? And it's got two plain white towels because I don't know what I'm gonna do with this space. I may leave it like that. I'm glad I did not get the little wicker tray from Home Goods because that would have been so ugly with all of this that I got going with the white and the floral. It would have been ugly. So I'm gonna find a tray to go there to hold tissue, pads, wipes, whatever. And then I don't know, maybe if I want to get like 2 white like floating shelves to go up there, or some wall art. I think I'm gonna do the 2 white, like a floating shelf here, floating shelf there, put some decor on. This is what the shower curtain came out like. So kind of wanted to show y'all with it a little together like this. It's so cute. Look at the bows. I have a fabric shower liner behind it, so it won't be as like, it's not gonna be see-through, but look, it's so cute. I've had this mat for a while. I need to wash it off and sand it, but it is a diatomaceous earth stone bath mat I got off Amazon. I believe it was like $25, 20 or 25. But the trash can over in this corner, I just rolled out the rug and put the new rug there. What I really need to do is get some hyaluronic acid because I can feel how dry my face is after washing it. But I believe it's like 4:20 something and I was supposed to leave at like 4, but it's okay. It's like a 35-40 minute drive from here. I don't know why I'm taking my precious time. I'm gonna just do tinted sunscreen even though the sun is gonna be going down in a few hours. I wasn't originally supposed to wear this top, and it's like really see-through, mad see-through. It's crazy, but wasn't supposed to wear this. I had picked out this really cute dress, but this is really cute, like really cute, like off the shoulder, you know, but still I'm gonna have to find something else to wear because the first time I wore this you couldn't see all of this, and now it's like more see-through than it was before. Like the fabric must have changed when I washed it or something. I have no idea. This is my favorite like tinted sunscreen. It has hyaluronic acid in it too, which is nice, but it doesn't have a lot of sunscreen. But it's by the Lip Bar. I got the color Cinnabe, and I'm almost out. I need to re-up before, look at that, all that air. I need to re-up before it gets really warm outside. Not just rub it in like it's regular. When I was decorating my bathroom yesterday, I realized I accidentally went with a floral theme without even thinking about going with a floral theme. In the store, I picked up the 2 flower things. I was like, oh, the trash can and the soap thing matches each other. Like, that's so cute. But then I realized it do match my candle. I'm like, okay, now I gotta get it. And then I just realized now my towels have flowers on them. All of my towels except for my plain white ones have flowers on them. This is my favorite. I'm gonna have to take a trip to Ulta and just splurge. I made a list in my phone with everything that I need. Body oil, sunscreen, hyaluronic acid serum, body lotion, body wash, and I was gonna go ahead and get a conditioner and a deep conditioner, but since my hair, I just got this done a couple days ago, it's no need for me to go out and like spend for conditioners. I'm trying to use this little thing up. I cannot get this open. This mascara is okay. I'm gonna just finish it and then go back to my favorite, which I'm gonna go back to my favorite mascara once this is empty. But my favorite is Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. I just like the brush. I decided to put the top like this and I folded it perfectly so you can't see nothing. Now I just need to brush out this right one. I don't even feel like feeling it. Honestly, I don't have time to do that because if I mess it up by the slightest, I'm gonna have to fix it. Yo, look at that. You don't see that? I ain't even contour. I ain't contour. I ain't bronze. I put on tinted moisturizer and lip gloss and mascara. I think I'm gonna keep my hair on this side so like it's open and you can might bring that back like that. It's open and you can like really see the shoulder. And I just put a roll-on too. I forgot the name of it. I took the label off the roll-on, but it smells really good.
His concert was real weird too. Like when he let me show you. Yeah, beautiful.
I spent $300 on groceries and $30 at Marshall/Home Goods. Y'all, I had to take 2 trips with my cart. Like, look at all these bags and they're all heavy because they filled them up. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and drink some water. I had stopped and got me some coffee and drunk it while I was like shopping and stuff. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything on the counter. The counter is dirty. Like, I need to wipe it off and clean up the kitchen anyway, which I will do today. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got first. So, and if I don't think I told y'all this, but it's the next day. The dinner was last night. It was so good and my mom loved it. I got these produce organizers. They were $5 a piece and I got 2 of them. I got some more little pantry ones. These are shorter and a little wider than the ones I bought, but they hold the same amount of food. And these were $6 a piece. Got these. Thought it was pretty cool how it has a lock and unlock feature on the top. Like, you can unlock it to take it off and then lock it so it can't, like, yeah, that's pretty cool. Versus the regular like pop-on ones. Same with the ones I got the other day. It's like you have to lock it on like this because my son is gonna be 2 and I don't have a little lock on the pantry door yet. I'm definitely getting one because I came the other day, he climbed to the top shelf of the pantry and stuff was falling down everywhere. So I also got these bins, $6 for these 2, and they're kind of like open. This is gonna be in my fridge, and then those produce ones are also gonna be in my fridge. So yeah, I'm gonna wash these out before I organize the fridge and everything. I got some coffee. I really want to make some cold brew, so I had them blend it for the cold brew and it smells amazing. Like, I don't know, not all coffee smell the same to me, and I think it's because I used to work in a coffee shop, but I got a dark roast and it's got smoky dark chocolate notes. Man, I cannot wait. I can't wait. So close to the video. Thank you guys for tuning in.